Hello everyone! Today we're going to fold a paper dove. First, place your paper like a diamond and fold it in half to make a triangle. Now fold it in half again and then unfold it.
Fold with me, let's fly and fold so happily.
Next, fold both sides to the center line.
Paper dream flying high in my hand. Every crease makes a world I can plan. From a star to a butterfly glow.
Fold the bottom layer in half.
Let it show. Color on white, turning story to life. Shaping your shape, cutting sharp like a knife. Here to walk, surprise, 접으면 delight. Endless wonder in my sight.
And then unfold it again. Now fold both sides vertically to the center line. And then unfold them. Tuck both sides inside.
Every foam makes a heartbeat sound. Magic rising all around. Hearts and wings, every moment's new. My journey led to you. Shining bright, playful and bold. Every story starts to unfold. Every story starts to unfold.
Next, fold the model in half to the back.
Magic fold, turn it into gold. Magic fold, story to be told. Fold it up like
Now fold the outer layer.
magic fold. Everybody shout. Lift it higher now.
Turn the paper over and repeat the same step.
We change the sky. Magic in my hand now.
Fold the outer layer again.
Origami fantasy show. Magic fold, shining in the air. Magic fold, everywhere. Fold your
And repeat the step on the back.
magic fold, never gonna dry.
Now, tuck the bottom part inside to form the tail.
Shine it, fold it, play.
Next, fold the outer layer up to make the wings. Turn the paper over and repeat the same step on the other side. Finally, tuck the tip inside to make the head.
Let's fold it, let's rock it. Grab your paper, let's unlock it. B is here, so don't you stop. We're folding cool, we're folding non-stop. Let's fold it, let's rock it. Twist and flip, you've got it. Fold with me and fold with me. The fun begins, just wait.
And now your paper dove is finished.
Let's fold it, let's rock it. Unfold with me.
Thank you for folding with me today. See you next time.